We have two 2009 Tristar discounted blasters from Target. A lot of the Targets have the 2008. There are some 2009s here and there. One autograph per box and 24 cards. I still need a few, I think maybe one or two from the set, so it was worth taking a shot. I ended up with a couple of autographs. Hopefully the cards that I need are in here. I'm not sure which ones I do need. Alright. I don't know if these are the ones in the middle or if this is the one at the bottom, but okay, I think it's going to be in the middle. Most people have seen these cards already. Let's pull out the autograph and then we'll flip through. Alright, so we got Amazing Red, former X Division champion, another local New York guy. Pretty cool. And yeah, the cards are nice. Tristar stuff is pretty cool usually. And I think a lot of people have seen these cards already, so no need to really flip through them. Let's see what we got in the other one. And we got another New Yorker that's pretty interesting, from two different Targets, two local guys. We got Homicide. Again, we'll look at some of these cards quick. Hopefully the ones I need are in here, but not exactly sure which ones I need. So you get a good mix. Doesn't seem to be doubles in each blaster, unlike the 2008 set where you might literally end up with 3 of several cards inside that blaster. So. That's a pretty good, funny picture of Booker. So I apologize for going through these pretty quickly, but cards are almost 3 years old. Thanks for watching. Again, we got 2 guys who I saw come up through the New York indie scene, and Amazing Red and Homicide. So thank you for watching. Please leave some comments. Please subscribe.